Hey guys, here we have a sound test of the Mionix Zibal 60 keyboard. It's built in with linear cherry black MX key switches, which are very quiet compared to tactile cherry key switches like the cherry MX Blue. There is still sound when you type, however, as the sound comes from the keys bottoming out and not from the key switch itself. Anyway, here is the test demo. Now this is how the Mionix Zibal 60 keyboard sounds when compared to a regular HP keyboard that comes with a regular HP desktop. Yeah, I'm actually trying my best to get as much noise from the keyboard as possible, but it's actually very quiet compared to the Mionix Zibal 60. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More videos like this to come in the future, so be sure to subscribe.